The idea of the gateway for Fife Council is so that we can also assist our residents, but link it into the existing system, and it will give us monitoring details. It'll also give us assistance to help the tenants in case there's some other issues that they have. It will help us to ensure that the tenants are kept safe. It'll also monitor to ensure the age of the fittings within the property and to ensure that they're all well fitted and still attached rather than being covered or removed by tenants because of nuisance. The main benefit for I can see is we're saving money and time, because if we have to wait till a tenant is available, it may not always be when we're on site. The building currently will be working between 9 and 3, so after that time there is no access unless a resident allows you in. So we will monitor it remotely to make sure that everything is still operating correctly. Well, we've had a fire. Fortunately for us, the tenant was made safe, but it would have given us immediate response rather than going through our normal gateways. This is a test within this property and we will see how it goes. Bearing in mind we'll have additional 10 to 12 other ones within this building, and it may be, if we find it successful, we could possibly route it out to our other properties. We've always found that Aico is very adaptable, working with the clients like ourselves to make sure that their products are fit for purpose.